Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to search jobs near me. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to search for jobs near you using LinkedIn. First, log into LinkedIn. Go to LinkedIn and sign in with your credentials. Click on the Jobs tab. On the LinkedIn homepage, click the Jobs icon in the navigation bar. Use the search bar. Type the job title, keywords, or company name in the search bar at the top. Then hit the job title. So I'll hit on sales representative. Enter your location. In the location field, type your city, region. For example, my location is from Arizona. I can just type in my state here. Then hit on the relevant result on the drop down. Then on the kilometer filter, click on it to change the kilometer. Now, I'll just adjust the slider to left to reduce the kilometer of the location of my job. So once I lower the kilometer, it showed to find near jobs. Apply advanced filters. Now hit all filters. Use filters such as sort by, choose whether to see jobs most relevant to your profile, or the latest posting. Date posted, like 24 hours, past week, etc. Experience level, like entry, mid, or senior. Company name, and job type, like full-time, part-time, or remote. Then hit show. Turn on job alerts. Now hit on the job posting, then scroll down and click set alert to receive notifications about new job listings that match your search. Use the easy apply feature. For a quick application process, apply to jobs that have the easy apply button. Follow target companies. Visit company pages and then click follow and stay updated on the latest job openings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.